Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is day 8 of my 10k giveaway celebration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, so let's get right into this video. Modelones sent me their mini polygel kit to review, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing to see what's inside. So there's the plastic dual forms, base coat and a top coat, a mini nail file, a polygel brush, and the polygel. There's a white, soft pink, light apricot and a color changing polygel. So I'm just going to be swatching them on a paper towel for y'all to see. These are the polygels before curing and this is after curing. So these are all of the items that came in the kit. It's a great beginner friendly polygel kit. The only thing missing is the nail lamp. I applied my tips off camera. Now I'm applying my dehydrator to dehydrate my nails. Then I applied base coat to my natural nails and cured for 30 seconds. I applied sunscreen to my hand. Since my hand is going to be in the lamp often, this will prevent your hands from aging because the lamp can age your skin. I will be using the soft pink and white polygel from the kit, and I'll also be using my Modelones Clear and Royal Crown. If you're interested in this kit, you can use my code to get 10% off. It will be listed below with a link. Starting on the ring nail, I'm doing the whole nail with the soft pink polygel, and I should have done it the way I usually do because this way isn't for me. I always do shit. I prefer the tree bead method where I place the polygel on the tip area first, then the cuticle area, and then create an apex, but this way doesn't work for me at all. I was struggling. Moving on to the pinky nail, I'm doing a side fringe, so I applied the pink polygel and worked it up the nail into a slanted angle. This design was really nice. The only issue I had is that the pink was way too close to the white in color. I should have used the light apricot, but the design was still cute. The polygel was really sticky, so I had to use base coat instead of the rubbing alcohol to reduce the stickiness. Next, I did the same for my index nail. Then I wiped off the nails with rubbing alcohol and then I filed it to get a straighter line. On the pinky nail, I'm using the white polygel on the tip area, so I just applied it to the nail. I wasn't going to overlap on the pink area at first, but I decided to do it afterwards to ensure that the line would be straight and there would be no apparent spaces when I'm finished. Sometimes you may think you applied enough white to the area where the pink and the white meets, and then when it's too late you realize you missed a spot, so this would ensure it doesn't happen. Next, on the index nail, I'm using the gold glitter polygel. With this glitter, I did overlap and then I cleaned up the excess as well because I wasn't really sure how this would work. I'm still new to polygel, so I'm still learning what to do and what not to do. Although I didn't say it much, I always cure or flash cure before applying another layer of the polygel. Today Modelones is giving away a dip powder kit to the winner, so thank you to Modelones for sponsoring this video. This giveaway is only for people located in the US and Great Britain. The rules of the giveaway are as followed. Like the video, make sure you're also subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment along with your Instagram handle so that I can reach you. This giveaway will run for 3 days before a winner is chosen. So this giveaway will end on Tuesday the 31st at 12 noon Eastern Time. I will announce the winner on Tuesday evening on my community post. This will also be my last giveaway, so thank you to all who entered these giveaways. It was so much work, oh my goodness. And thanks for all of your support, and hopefully if I reach to 20k, I can do more giveaways, who knows. Now on the middle nail, I'm doing a color block with the 3 colors. So I applied the gold glitter first into a slant and then cured. Then I did another layer. So I filed the pinky nail to reveal the line because I was really curious to know if I did it correctly, and it worked. The only problem is the colors were way too close. I applied some rubbing alcohol to the middle nail and filed off camera to get a straight line. Then I applied the pink polygel in a slant as well and cured. I made sure to get this line as straight as possible because I knew I wouldn't be able to file this one as good as the other areas. So I took my time in getting this line straight and then I cured. Then I did another layer. Next, I did the white area and I overlapped it on the pink and gold area to ensure that I didn't miss any spaces. And then I cured and did another layer and cured as well. Then I applied rubbing alcohol to the nail to remove the tacky layer and I filed the nail to reveal the color block. Next, I encapsulated the pinky, middle and index nail, and I'm using my Modelones clear polygel and base coat because I don't want to have a cloudy nail, so I'm just doing that right here, and I cured for 30 seconds. When I was finished, I removed the tacky layer with rubbing alcohol. Then I filed off camera. This is after filing of the nails. Now on the ring nail, I applied my Modelones gel glue and top coat. Then I placed some rhinestones. Next, I poured some caviar beads and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied top coat to the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So this polygel kit is beginner friendly and the colors are really nice and subtle. If you'd like to purchase, I would have a link below. Let me know what you think about my nail design, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.